Students at National Economic University are known to be dynamic and creative. Today on the series Speak Up with Pasal, we are going to speak with one of these students and find out about her experience. Hello!
Hi Brad. Hello everyone. My name is Nghiệm, tiếng, I'm sophomore at National Economics University and my major is Investment Economics. Now thank you for having me today.
Welcome to Speak Up with Pasal. So is today a school day?
Yes, today is my school day and it's a little bit busy.
All right, I hear there are a lot of clubs.
Yes.
Can you talk to us about the student clubs?
Alright, joining in this club, the student will have a lot of experiences and memorable lessons. Although my school day is really busy, especially nearly my exam, but I still choose to take part in the school activities.
Okay. And have you had a chance to participate in these activities?
Oh yeah, right. First year is the time that students have the most time. If I'm back in town, I will go to Pasal to study English as soon as possible.
Right away.
Yeah. At the first time, at the beginning, I didn't expect more in Pasal. The faculty is really enthusiastic, dynamic, and young. They take care of each student in this class and monitor the progress of each student very well. And especially, I had a chance to have many new friends, and especially I was impressed by one girl who studied next to my class. We met each other when we took part in the Pasal English club on the weekend. And she's so really beautiful, intelligent, and sense of humor.
That's awesome.
Okay, in this club there are many interesting activities that connect people and help me a lot to improve my English as well.
Awesome. So Lan, you are a full-time student and you joined a club to focus on learning English.
Of course.
How are you not overwhelmed? Are you ever overwhelmed?
Never. Because
Never.
yes, because it's really important for me to learn English in Pasal. Learning English in Pasal is really fun and comfortable for me.
Okay.
If every day when I go to the school to study English and I really like it and took part in many exciting activities at school.
So you look forward to going every day.
Yes, of course.
That's incredible.
Yes, and the homeworks in Pasal is really unique. All the members of the class are required to make a video for that class, and the instructors and tutors will check it and correct the errors. Learning in Pasal is really effective and not very technical.
That's fantastic. It sounds like you've had a lot of interesting experiences already.
Yes, and I feel that I'm so really lucky to have the children of the ideal environment, MU and Pasal. And I hope this video can help the freshmen to have a great time.
Awesome. Thank you so much for joining us here at Speak Up here at Pasal TV. Lan, it's great to meet you.
Yes, thank you for having me today.
Oh, it's our pleasure.
Yes.
Good luck with everything in the future. I hope you continue to progress and do well.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.